first step for you is to sign up for an extended Shopify trial. This one is pretty obvious. Right now, Shopify is offering a 3-month extended trial for just $1 per month. You can access the trial using the first link down below in the video description. Once you've claimed your extended trial, you'll be taken to the Shopify dashboard. Here, you'll see these options. First up, we have this checklist which we can follow along and set up our store. And from the left menu, you'll be able to control your entire store. Now, the next step is to install the Minimog theme on this store. Minimog theme generally costs $88, but sometimes they offer the theme at discounted rates. If you use our affiliate link, which is given in the video description, you might be able to get some discounts too. And once you bought the theme, you'll get a theme zip file, which you can directly upload to your Shopify admin. Minimog theme offers 85+ pre-made templates, which will make the store customization process much easier. You'll get access to all these templates in the theme zip file. You only need to go through these templates and then choose the right one for you. For this tutorial, I am going to use this skateboard template. To install the theme and template, simply head over to the dashboard and then go to the online store option on the left. As you can see, the current theme of our store is the Dawn theme. To install the Minimog theme, click on this Add Theme button and then click on Upload Zip File. Then upload the zip file, which you'll get after the purchase, and then confirm. It will take a few seconds to upload this theme. And once the theme is uploaded, you will be able to publish the theme. Of course, since this is a tutorial video, I am using a trial version of the theme. This version contains all the features of Minimog theme, but it is only for tutorial purposes, which is why I don't have any publish button here. Anyways, in your case, you'll get the publish button, so don't worry too much about that. Next, when you click on the customize button, you'll be taken to the Shopify store editor. We can customize the look and feel of our store from here. In the center, you'll see the store homepage template, which we've just installed. Next, on the left sidebar, you'll see the entire structure of the store. This is made using various sections, which we can customize as per our need. When you click on any section, you'll see the customization options on the right sidebar. From here, you'll be able to see how your store looks in different devices. The Minimog theme is fully mobile responsive. We will make the changes in the desktop view, and the theme will automatically adjust it for mobile view as well. From this center dropdown, you'll be able to switch between different pages, such as the product page, collection page, and so on. I will customize every single section on these pages in this tutorial. You can simply follow along with me, and by the end of the video, you'll have your store setup complete. But before we start customizing the store, it's important to add all of our products in the store. This will make the design process much easier. So I will simply exit this editor now. Next, I will go to the Products option on the left menu, and then click on Add Products. Here, we need to enter our product name, description, product images, and pricing. So, I will add a simple product title here. Next, we need to add a description. We can use Shopify's Magic AI to generate our product description. Next, under Media, I will upload some images of the product. I can also rearrange them as per my need. Next, I will add the actual price of the product and a compare at price of the product here. Next, I will enter the inventory details here. This much will be sufficient for now. Of course, you'll find dozens of other details here, so feel free to enter as many details as possible. And once you are done, simply click on this Save button to save your changes. And just like this, we've added our first product. You can simply repeat the same process to add more products on this store. Okay, I've added a few products here. Now it's time to create collections. To do that, click on this Collections option here. You'll find a default collection called Homepage. I will delete this collection by going to the 3 dots and then clicking on this Delete option. Next, I will click on this Create Collection button. Just like we added our products, we need to enter the name and description of the collections. I will name this collection as Bestsellers. I will leave the description empty for now. Next, click on this Browse button here, and then select all the products that you want to add in this collection. You can also add an image to this collection from here. And then hit the Save button. And just like this, we've created our first collection. You can follow the same steps to create more collections. All right, I've added a lot of products here, and I've also segmented them into different collections.